Hello guys, this is Rohit Parmar, CEO of AGT. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Guys, I just want to show the live trades or boards to all of you. As you can see, this is Ultra 2.1. The live trade is happening and you can see the speed. You can check the speed of Ultra board and the volume also. You can see the current record analysis. Check it by yourself, guys. You can see current record analysis here and the speed. And now I'm showing you for Ultra V 4.0. Guys, this is Ultra version 4.2. You can check the live trades and current record analysis here too. And the speed is amazing, guys. And now I am showing you Ultra V 7.0. Check the Ultra board volume, guys, and the speed of how boat is executing the trades and current record analysis too and order history and everything. So guys, I just wanted to show you this. I'm still trying to add this on our website. I'm working on it, how to make you see it over the website, but no need to rush. And for now, I will be updating it to you weekly or for every few days. Till then, take care, guys. AGT to the world, spread the word. A very good evening to all of you, all my family members. This is Rohit Parmar, CEO of AGT. Guys, as I told you before, I am sharing again the live trades in front of you. You can check this is Ultra 2.1. This is the boat volume, and you can check current record analysis too and the speed, right? And guys, this is Ultra 4.0. Check the speed, guys, how fast the boats are executing the trades, and also you can check the Ultra boat volume and current record analysis. And this is Ultra 7.0, guys. You can check the volume, it's massive, and current record analysis and the speed of boat executing the trades. So guys, today I am taking out time to let you know two things. First of all, I am doing a lot of things and I am very busy in doing all those things. So I may not be free to share live trades all the time except maybe on Zoom meetings. And secondly, I am trying to figure out my visit to which African country and get visa and all those stuffs. Guys, I just want to remind you that share your love and care to the needy ones. Remember guys, your $1 matters for someone. Till then, take care guys. That's all for now. AGT to the world. Hello everyone. Good day to all of you. This is Rohit Parmar, CEO of AGT. Guys, I am showing you the live trades of our boats again to reassure you. As you all know, trading can be a complicated and challenging task, but I have developed state-of-the-art algorithms that have proven to be both efficient and profitable. These bots can execute trades at an incredible speed and with significant volumes, making them stand out in the arbitrage trading world. So first, guys, let's talk about Ultra version 2.1. This bot is an earlier version of AGT's algorithmic trading system and has been around for quite some time. However, it is still manages to impress with its speed and precision when it comes to executing trade, guys. With Ultra 2.1, traders can handle high volumes of trades with ease, making it an ideal tool for our investors. Now moving on to Ultra version 4.1. This boat is more advanced version of its predecessor, offering even faster execution speeds and the ability to handle even higher volumes of trades. You can check the volume, guys, and the speed too, how fast the bot is executing the trades. With its advanced AI and machine learning capabilities, Ultra version 4.0 can analyze market trends and make informed decisions in real time, allowing investors to stay ahead of the game. So guys, finally, this is we have Ultra 7.0, the latest and most advanced version of AGT's trading board. This board combines the best features of its predecessors with even more advanced AI and machine learning algorithms. Ultra V 7.0 can handle incredibly high volumes of trades with lightning fast execution speeds, making it the perfect tool for high frequency traders, guys. So guys, AGT has developed some of the most impressive trading boards in the industry, and our Ultra version 2.1, Ultra version 4.0 and Ultra version 7.0 are prime examples of this. These boards offer traders the ability to execute trades at the lightning fast speed